There's a light, certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be to live with you, to live with you. And there's a way. Everybody says to do each and every little thing, but what good does it bring if I ain't got you? I ain't got you. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Come on, let's go. Baby, what it's like to love somebody the way I love you. In my mind, see your face again. I know my frame of mind. You ain't got to be so blind. Oh, but I'm blind, so very blind. Some of men get to see what I am and live and breathe for you. But what good does it do? And if I ain't got you, ain't got you. Come on, you don't know what it's like. Everybody, baby, you don't to love somebody the way I love you. The way I love you. Thank you so much. All right, and welcome back. Welcome back sa among second set. Once again, thank you so much for staying. To Ivan and friends, hello. And once again to all mga taga Kalunasan, dito Guadalupe, Kalunasan. To Kulafo boys. Unya, mo kulafo. Wala pa'y kulafo, kaya wala pa'y baligya.
Chapter Kalunasan. Oh my.
Sige, next. Whole gig 5. Lying beside you here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. Come on. So now I come, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Thank you. Living without you, living alone, this empty house is so cold. Wanting to hold you, wanting you near, how much I wanted you home. Now that you've come back tonight and today, I need you to stay. One more time, let's go. Slow down without nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Thank you. Open arms. Thank you so much. Let's go. Come on. Light it up, and nothing gets me down. You've got it tough. Come on. I'm sick of jumping still around, and I know it's just how I feel. You gotta roll with the punches, get to what's real. Hey! Can you see me standing here? I got my my back against the record machine. I am the worst ever seen. Can't you see what I mean? Yeah. I might as well jump, jump. Might as well jump. Go ahead and jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Oh, I knew who said that. Baby, how you've been. You say you don't know, you won't know until you begin. Hey! Can you see me standing here? I got my back against the record machine. I am the worst that you've seen. Can you see what I mean? Yeah! I might as well jump, jump. Might as well jump. Go ahead and jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Jump. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Might as well jump, jump! Go ahead and jump! Yeah, jump, jump! Go ahead and jump! 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 Come on, we're still on a different journey. She's a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in Detroit. Took the midnight train going anywhere. Come on. a smoky room, a smell of wine, a cheap perfume, and for a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on, come on, and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down a boulevard, and the shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. And working hard to get my feel. Everybody wants a thrill, paying anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. All the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Come on. Strangers waiting up and down a boulevard, in the shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. All the time. And don't stop believing, on to the feeling. Street lights, people, and don't stop believing. Street lights, people, don't stop believing. Street lights, people, don't stop. Again, don't stop believing. Thank you so much. Let's go. Here we stand, your part heart's broken into two. Sleepless nights, losing ground, I'm reaching for you. Feeling that it's gone, can change your mind if you can go on to survive the tide. Love divides. Someday love will find you. Break those chains upon you. One night will remind you how we touch and went our separate ways. If he ever hurt you, true love won't desert you. You know I still love you. How we touch and went our separate ways. between confusion and pain, pain and pain. Distant eyes, promises were made in vain, in vain, in vain. If you must go, I wish you love. You never walk alone. Take care, my love. It's your love. Someday love will find you. Come on, break those chains upon you. One night will remind you how we touch and went our separate ways. If he ever hurt you, true love won't desert you. You know I still love you, though we touch and went our separate ways. Mr. John on guitar. Once again, thank you so much. Daghang salamat for jamming with us. Sige, next song, Hulgig 5. Kani? Let's go! She's got a smile that it seems to be, reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as brown blue sky. And now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. And if we stare too long, I'll probably break down and cry. wait for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. Sweet child, sweet love of mine. Sweet child of mine. Sweet love of mine. Sweet child of mine. Ooh, yeah. Sweet love of mine. Shout. Mr. John! Where do we go? Where do we go? Oh, where do we go now? Where do we go? Oh, where do we go now? Thank you so much. Beer pa din. Beer. Let's go. Living easy and living free. She's a ticket on a one-way ride. Asking nothing, leave me be. And taking everything in my stride. Don't need reason, don't need right. Ain't nothing I would rather do. Going down, party time. My friends are gonna be there too. Stop sign, spinning limit. Nobody's gonna slow me down like we are. me around. Hey, Satan, baby, dudes, playing in a rocking band. Hey, mama, look at me. I'm on my way to the promised land. Come on, I'm on the highway to hell. On the highway to hell. I'm on the highway to hell. Highway to hell. Ooh, don't stop me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. John on guitar. I'm on the highway to hell. Highway to hell. I'm on the highway to hell. Highway to hell. Highway to hell. I'm on the highway to hell. Wow, I'm on the highway to hell. I'm on the highway to hell. Way to hell. Yeah, I'm going down. Wow, the way. I'm on the highway to hell. Thank you so much. Thank you. Chok, ihatag ang beer nila. Beer pa day. Kana ba? Kana siya. Give that to the Franco. Ooh. Let's go. We all came out to Montreal on the Lake Geneva shoreline to make records with a mobile. We didn't have much time. Throws up by the mothers around the best place around. But some stupid with a flare gun burn a place to the ground. On smoke, on the water, a fire in the sky. Smoke on the water. Burned down a gambling house. It died with an awful sound. A funky clown was running in and out, pulling kids out of ground. But all was over. We had to find another place. But switch time was running out. Seemed that we will lose the race. On smoke, on the water, fire in the sky. Smoke on the water. hotel. It was empty, cold and bare, with a rolling drugstore thing just outside, making the music there. With a few red lights, a few warm beds, it made the place sweat. No matter what, we get out of this. I know we'll never forget. Smoke on the water, fire in the sky. Smoke on the water. Thank you so much.